Sanibonani isizwe sakithi, sanibonani AVG Reality. Igama ngumchasiseli Siminyaminya Sentombi zaseMzingwane. Exhibeni kwakho kwakumaya. Namhlanje ngihleli nenye insizwa angazi ukuthi ngizomchaza ngithi uyi artist, uyimbongi, actor, ungumbhali, jack of all trades. Thabo Jenko. Unjani mfowethu?
Sawubona.
Hayi, yeah. Ngicabanga ukuthi namhlanje nje ngihlala ngikubonele ekudeni, ngane ngikubone stage, ngikubonele ngapha. Namhlanje ngiyaqala nje ukuthi ngibe seduze nawe. Nokubona abantu ku Facebook la bekhala ukuthi uyahlupha weza ini nami ngafisa ukuthi namhlanje ngizohlala nawe la. Ngeke ngibone ukuthi ungakhona ukuhlupha la AVG. Chief, singakayi kude ngoba singagcina lapha sesilahlekelwa ngokunye. Nginokubona engathi une complain especially ngendlela izinto eziphatheka ngakhona kwi-art industry, especially esidini lakithi. Ngeke ngibale ukuthi inkinga ilena leyana. Ngifuna ukuthi wena uyakukhalela ngentha.
Okokuqala ukhalela ukuthi asazani. Mina ngubani?
Thabo J Inkomo.
Uthabo
JC.
Uthabo JC ngubani? Uthabo C Inkomo ngubani? Ake ukuthi ngapi? Uchichinana ngubani?
Yeah, mina
so asazani i-problem yakuqala. Suthola umuntu uthi yena usebenza headquarters umbuse number 4 umbawelo kuzeni kathi umuntu ngumantshingelane mazithi hayi butoni ngumantshingelane awusopholisa sesixabana sebemzondo uThabo.
So lana uzama ukuthi kunabanye abantu abathi baba ama artists then mase usubatshela ukuthi abasima artists sebekwada. Uthola ukuthi
engitholo ukuthini abantu sifuna ukugada ibhasikili kodwa sifuna uqala ngeskuta ibhasikili singakalithengi singakazi siligada kanjani iskuta yi-problem yakho.
Yabona le nkulumo ngathi ijula kakhulu. Usho ukuthi mina nami ngizoyicacada ngendlela yami yo angithi phela wena ungumbhali futhi uyimbo. Ninimbongi phela nisuke nithathe yonke into nilolonga isiqhamuka ngenye indlela. Iskuta ebhasikili. So lana uthi ukuthi khona umuntu ongena kwi-arts avela jambe mhlawumbe amanye ama steps athile ayotholakala eseskuteni ka
ukhona umunye umfowethu
awuyichithize kahle lento
sithi umfowethu ngizakuthi ngumfowethu X uthi Thabo sicela ukwenza amawazi sifuna uku-honor uzibani ngathi yo into enhle we need to appreciate each other
no.
as ama artist kamthwakazi
sifuna uku-honor uzibani.
Yes. So bathi sifuna ukumenzela umsebenzi ngalo uncwabakazi oza ngathi akulungile mina ngiyabonga mele we need to appreciate each other. Ngase ngibuza ngathi kathi wena ongubani ku-art njalo limona lingobani leso certificate sabe sibhala ukuthi lingobani saxabana ke khonapho nabe ngifuna ukwazi but okay uyaona mangiona impintshi yakho awunyazi impintshi yami mfana nje hayi no ngumngane uthi amona ubaba uNcundu uzile lapha samhlonipha is it last year or last of last year is fine.
Siyabonga kakhulu kumdali baba.
So we deserves it but I say was fine kumele sihloniphane kumele sinikane namawathi kubani
kanti base befuna ukunika bani ngomisi
ayikhona befuna ukumnikeza wena namhlanje nje ngisenkingeni ngoba mbuza ukuthi okay fine anginankinga ngubani phela ke who are you ungubani mina ngithabo J Inkomo ku art kulitrisha ngithabo JC Inkomo anjo so ukuthi uwena ke ungubani so ayikho leyo ndaba
so lana Nkomo into oyibona kunomunye umuntu ole institution efuna ukunikezana ngama awards but wena ngokubona kwakho this institution ayikho sezingeni lokuthi isinganike
ngoba ngichoko lokho aso institution
kunalomjida
kunempintshi
kunalomjida lo ufuna ukunikeza amanye amajida ama awards so nawe kumele ube part of laba abantu abaphiwayo ngulomjida.
Hayi bathi la isondela ngoba la lomjida liphuza lonke cool drink so la sicela ukuthi ube khona ngathi awukho
uzothatha iaward
la nizofakaza ukuthi okay anginankinga ngizafakaza kodwa wena ungubani lingobani ngathi vezani phela ngathi lo muntu olimnikezayo ngaze ngathi angichomi kodwa ke nanku ngifundile lami ngile JC yami I'm very proud ngeze JC yami ngathi nansi
ikho lapha uThabo JC
hayi ngize JC form 2 kabi mina omuhle kabi ngamthatha imbako ngathi nayi CV yami akufakele kandoda lokho oqala sibe sesiqhubekela yasibhaja kasahamba ngakhona ngathi thatha noZibani umfaka ngathi uyabona lingayilokhuzi lingafaka amatomo asivuleleni yonke into mayenzakala njalo consult with people, consult lama journalists ngoba abhekile asibukele yoma camera ethu, consult labo ma press ngabo organize yabona mina mangafuna maskanda manje ngidinga uDJ Mapress ngiyazi ukuthi uzokunikeza maskanda oshapa angithayi headache ngiyakuyi ngiyakwazi ukuthi ngiyaphi.
So lana usho ukuthi abantu kufanele bazazi kahle ukuthi bangobani nanokuthi kumele mawukuthi uzokwenza something esizweni, isizwe sibe sisazi ukuthi lento esisiya kwenziwa uThabo uba mangavuka kusasa phela kuthiwa wena unikezana ngengane lapha imiklomelo yokuthi zenze amapoem. Mina ngizothi kodwa lo ndoda nami vele ngisafunda wayevele senza amapoem, maybe sefikile stage sokuthi sewa understand amapoem. So into onolwa nayo ile ukuthi mina ngivuke kusasa kuthiwe senginikezana ngama award eRumba. Akaze ngibona
ithi ngenele kwasa. Lapha ngicabanga ukuthi uNkomo ukukhala ngokuthi there is some shadowy. If you continue the institution there is some shadow. Kumbe ngithi mina kule thunze ngiyeqhamuka seliqhubela abantu bese ufuna ukuqhubela something and of which maybe uNkomo kayazi lento. Pho ngiqhamuka somebody ethi yena sefuna oqala yena akayazakala lo muntu lese exist kodwa sefuna ukucoca umuntu, sefuna upha umuntu isicoco because isicoco okoqala for it to have value it must come from a reputable organization. Yebo ukuvuka ke sinikeza abantu ama degree
yikho bediliza manje sebenzisa igama elithi institution akalifuni ukuthi sengi
so there is some shadow somewhere eqhamuka siphethe award inikeza somebody and according to what I hear mhlawumbe lo mfo ofuna ukuphiwa that award uNkomo ngabe mazi and kodwa kamazi esezingeni leli lokuthi la vele se deserve some award from someone so uthi uNkomo kazofakaza ngifuna ukushada mina asazani mina la kumbe wena uyangazi siyazana intombi engifuna ukuyishada awuyazi mina as umuntu ofuna ukushada lokuthi ngile capacity yokushada umuntu nomuntu ngiyohlala laye you've got a query around there sensithi sambe kwaza wena ufike kube lidombo lami yabona
all I'm saying bantu bakamthwakazi asi appreciate neni kodwa ngendlela eqondileyo asisekeleni ukusebenza isintu isboy asekeleni let us work professionally kulungile singayenza izinto ngesintu angikwazi ukudrive ushayela imoto umfundisi hayi lokho yenza so yabona lolu phodi ukuthi phansi le ndukuyithi kulungile mangiqeda lapho ke sengihamele ngihambe ke ku proper driving school antu yeza lapho uzalo lakho okay uzalo lakho into yakho kodwa yikho ke waye ungayifundelanga le nto yakho uzalula kodwa ke ngibalo graduate le
abanye sizalwa lakho sithi
uzalwa lakho kodwa kumele kubusiswe antu uzodrive kulomuntu oyishaya imoto lapha engena kobulawa engena emakhorokho kodwa kala license yikho ke the only way ukuthi ludlula phela la uyeqeqetsha ubungelela utitshala that's all I'm saying.
Hayi kuthiwa Nkomo madoda uyayishaya impela imoto idonsa trailer uzuzuye kuwe plant kungela lutho olubi kungaphazamiswa ngalutho imoto yofika iright kodwa kakusho ukuthi wena usungumshayeli osemthethweni ayakumisa ama traffic cop nabo bayibakubophe.
That's all I'm saying.
Mina ngiyisipoko ngapha I will ask a question Nkomo ucabanga ukuthi kukhozwa yini lokho are we desperate enough ukuthi sesehluleke ukuthi uthole izicoco eziyizo sesizama ukukhatha amakhonazi or kulabantu asebethi angabona uNkomo nyasiyamazi thina as a poet okwesikhathe eside I know you as a writer futhi sasengifana omncane bese ngisithi mina ngifuna ukuthi ngibe lokuyinto kwami engifuna ukukuvusa nga what can I latch on ukwenza into kwami lokho kwazakala uNkomo lapha yana value le reputation sengivuka mina kuseni ngisithi ngifuna ukukhulisa into kwami kodwa seseza ngani I'm honoring umuntu with a luminary kumthwakazi.
Inkinga yethu singabomaphuzu kunotha wakuwatsho baba uMzila ngisaseyisiye wathi kulabo waphusa ukuhlakanipha iyithicket nalapho sesihlukumezeke kakhulu ukuthi la nca ngahlala la ngithi ngicela ngizele ipoem nje ngiphethe 20 rand yakwenzela yi problem that is our problem sesihlukumezeke kakhulu ukuthi fine nginjenje mina ngithabo ungangithuka fine ngiyibonela i-microphone emesina ngabonela i-microwave emesina ngichapi mase ngifika lapha sengijabula ngithenga ama-microphone abe yi-7 ngiwasa ngapha yi-7 I only need one microphone ngoba ngiyedwa ngenza i-poetry anginayo i-backing up. So all I'm saying asibekezele nini siyenzeni equality singenza into in a professional way sizoproducer equality. Angitsho abantu abafunde mina ngiqali arts ngo1990 angina what angaze ngithole futhi asoze ngidinge but ngelinye ilanga iaward kumele ngilande ngizihlalele ngangivotele mina ungivotelelani wehle kuyavotela umali makho lewuthabe ngisobhuku uzovotela mina egoli iaward kumele ilande uyihlalele ingwidla amabala ingwe ayiceki bantu ngicela lingivotele bangizonda abafowethu labo dadewethu ngikoma ngicela imvotele ingoma yami uthi yalalela ingoma yakucula uthi nguvotele ngiyaxolisa bakhona ngeke baqamba amagama
sibaqamba
ngimnikeze u20 ngicela wena uzivotele ngimnikeze i-airtime yakho yini network ngimnikeze uCLC ngimnikeze ukuze ngicela uzivotele mina ngeke
ufuna ukutholakala
angifuni I want to lie to you ngiyaqabana labantu ngoba ngicela wathatha ama-artist ekhaya nje thatha i20 wafake la nayisho asiculeni nini ba alohamba uGates cula nini sibone they cannot sing
bacula ngecomputer
they cannot sing ba lip sync and they can't even lip sync. That is the problem yami abantu bekhaya banzondile ukuthini mina ngibathandela ukuthi banzondile ukuthi ngibatshela iqiniso they cannot sing. Out of the 20 singers maybe uzophuma la i3 abakhona
konje abantu abayi3 that you think bayacula
3 bacula nangimazila ngikhatha nyamuza uyacula but ke one thing ngimthandela khona ungene ngesitayila esithanda ngabantu bakithi uthiye ini inhlanzi ngamawemusi kathi yangi inhlanzi nge20 inhlanzi ayisabi 20 ufake iwemusi so la ngiyamhlonipha so amadoda erumba heads off anginandaba lerumba kodwa ngiyabahlonipha anytime they are doing quality. Amadoda omaskandi ozinja nkosi yami ngiyabahlonipha I can go ngamlandela uzinja ngeBluefontein ngimbukela yasizeni lapha kubo Chichinana lalaba osindisiwe laba abajabulisa umfundisi lo mam Dikoni labazalwane asiyasitshela shem.
So now you saying gospel music ayikafiki to that level or sesingamema amathunzi ebeqhubela something.
We are too far antomnye behlela lapha ethi ikhona uRebecca Malope umbani muhleli la ngombo ngubhele interview la wathela uzelo la
ngeke ngahlala namafilm lapha amadinga
amaskandi queen. The only queen I know is a slay queen mina ayikho leyo ndaba asikafiki lezo. All I'm saying I don't want to discourage anyone. Ngicela ukuthi asiphakamiseni ama-socks senzeni equality imisebenzi yethu izasikhulumela. Mina mfundi mawuthi mbani mbuluza ngangithabo ngithi hayi na incwadi this is my latest book ngithi vula la ubheke ijeni yami ubheke ngamafitshane umsebenzi wami yikho lokho engimbuluza ngakho. There is nothing else. The day masitawuthaba uyitshayile ipoem yakho ngicela mina ukuzo ngawade ungangicedi ungamfuna ngifuna ukuvotela ngambe ncenga abantu cela ukuvotela ngoba amawadzona la wabheka ukuthi accredit ngubani ngozibani bona laba banikeza siraise ama funds ngithenga mina ama data bundles ayi 2000 abantu bawufuna ngo2 rand ngabona ukuze ngiziraisela ama funds ibusiness ngahetheka mina hippo theater mangithi ufuna ukwenza Plumtree Awards yo
ngibele bese ngisithi ngiza khona lapho kanti wena nawe unokuba sometimes ngiyithunza ezamqhubela abantu wethu something ngubani man ubaba
ezakithi
TV
ngizakithi yes ngoba ngiqala ngathi ngithi cruise ucruise mina ngamzondela 2 months mina ngamkhulumisa ngoba ucruise mangihleli lo Cora I think lo Victor uMathutho bezimbokodo uthi uyazi ukuthi insimbuzo amawazi singenza njani anti sifuna ukuncela phela ulwazi kumele la uma ungazi awazi wathi yazi Thabo kunzima ukusebenza lamakhalanga ngoba ikhalanga umuntu othethe ingqondo wayifaka esikhwameni kazi kwangihetha kulala
wakhuluma naye ngempela impendulo evela kuye
umuntu uyathukana lo muntu mangitshela after 2 months lokho ngihlaziye ngithi hayi man uyithaye khona mina actually all your apology ngoba ngikuzondela into engekho and I've seen it, I've witnessed it sengubonile.
So what happened when ngesikhathi uzama amathabo
mina was nyawenza I've done it for the past 2 years ngiwenze but bengu2020 all I wanted to say let me start from the start bengabhekanga igospel ngasibhekani ngathi kunamadoda engisebenzela ngabheka esinye isithombe soma ngiqala idrama mina ngo1992 ngathola ukuthi ku-group yembubi besibayi-12 bonke bashonile sisele siyi-3 abaphilayo ngathi but these guys they are not known. Mina if I can be awarded for anything ePlumd is 1990 to 2000 hayi ngwenzile wami umsebenzi. So ngathi laba bantu ke siyaqhubeka siyaphambili sesika phezulu abaphansi ke. So ngase sithi no let's honor those people. Sebachona abaningi bakhona kodwa sicela sibahloniphe. That was my main intention. Ukuthi sibahloniphe ngoba uphi kuyafanana kulo gift wesakhe isizwe. That boy liyamazi. But that boy ushaya enye quality. Kulo sniper music ngabantu bethu but why singakhulumi ngapho? And those people abantu abenza iquality kodwa ngeke babone bangumsindo. Angeke. Usakhe uzindibana la kuma competitions lapha emalokishini ama festivals into ashaya. I'm so proud of him. I can pay 1,000 to watch him. Yizi andandaba le rumba mina. Kodwa for the first time in my life ngithenge i-USB insimbi zejwana nge-800 rand. Ngithengile because it deserves it. It deserves it. Angina now. Ngayithapha ngiyaqolisa ngisayidlala insimbi zejwana. Ngitravelile ngaye Swaziland. Ngathola itikiti le 1,000 bengidlulisa imoto ngo-30 ngoba ziyaspeedisa so angizidlali.
Ngezwe bakithi boma press anehlisa ispeed zensimbi zejwana bakithi. Abantu sebagcina sebethola amatikiti ku.
So ngamafitshane we need to appreciate each other. Ngiyafisa ngicela si appreciate nini. Nango oniyake wathi uzoyithatha nini? Oniyake uzoyithatha nini? Asazani. But let's come together. Singahlanganiswa ukuthi sokolo mkhuhlane somle seyibo theater. Kathi ngoba ngabagulayo. Mina lama operations ayi6 emzimbeni. Kathi mina imisholo izoyeza nini? Ngifuna ngiza ngife. Lama operations ayi6. 15 July nyangele enye operations abengakhuluma for 2 months. 18 last month 18 February same thing futhi nga operate. Understand? Nga operator ngapha ngine hemi ngapha ngilokuze. Right now angisebenzi mina ngicela ukusebenza 2 February. Because of my health. Anytime I'm greeting our foot, but mangi ngawa ngife, I'm so proud. Engwenzileyo I appreciate. Abantu engisebenze labo I appreciate. Kunabantu abaningi abantu kuyafana nabantu obhedube nyamzonda nyamthanda that guy.
Why bese nyamzonda?
Because some of his poems they are not poems. I refuse.
His
story ngama composition mina njengo teacher nyazi composition kodwa ke masumamela but kade sokule difference he has really improved. I salute him and his poetry is now relevant.
Ngakho lokudlala lokho limtela
is relevant. Wabuya lapha silonji album kwabo ngani wathena sengirizana ngikhathela kula mali ku poetry ngathi unamanga wasebhakaniya oleze bhakaniya windawo namhlanje akakho ku poetry lokho ekhona.
But into suyithintile zenze ngacabanga something futhi ungabheka kakhulu ikakhulu ngithinta kulento odlula kuyo esizweni sakithi sinalento yokuthi uyaphakama umuntu. Let's say ngifaka ipoet ngoba namhlanje ngihleli nesifakathi sepoet uyaphakama umuntu simbone nangiyana ukuthi ayi ngempela lo muntu uyayishaya ipoem ngendlela right 100%. Thina kunokuba thina abantu simeseke lo muntu lwana owenza into enhle lela talent silithelele likhulu. We will go and look for someone ozama ukwenza njengalo muntu simpromote sithathe wonke ama resources siwachannel to this person ongakwazi lutho ngamasibomo nje just to spite low okwazi.
Angiyazi definition ngunde kodwa ngizothi singunde sona lesikho kusibulala ukulo mntwana lo angimazi igama lakhe ngiyaqolisa. I think nginazilele kuthanga ku TikTok
wenza nama
lo uyenza ipoem. I think ngoyicholocho wasithi intombazana omncane wasesithi yena wase
prosperity
wase ngixolisa ngikuma ama poets la poetess wasesithi yena wasethatha ama lines eZulu intombazana lokuthi nginyanga engize la something like that intombazana eKZN. Umntwana lo abamcorrectanga kahle wazophuma ku TikTok izolwathi ngihethekile bantali ngcorrectanga uthi yena igama lakhe uNkanyezi usislow yena uthi nginyanga ngize lapha yo ngiso poet ngithanda indaba zabantu sekukhuluma ngeNkanyezi yena uthi mina lami ngisebenzisa uNkanyezi ngoba ligama lami. But already sesimpulele lo mntwana but ngicela ukutshela ukuthi that girl is coming. She needs proper channels. Let's appreciate each other. Nangu umoya yokusayidi mina didn't like him from this time. Mangimuzonto ayahlanya izazumza kembulo. But the more ngimamela it no man. and the quality lokhu improve equality.
Yeah.
I love it.
That's true.
I accept mangathi ufuna praise poet komthwakazi, we don't think twice abiza ubaba uNqindi. Mangathi sifuna protest poet right now komthwakazi, siyothatha ubongani sithatha lokuzeni sithathe la monoxide. Mangathi wasifuna abantu abaphethe ulimi kumthwakazi sindebele, ngiyathatha ithole labenguni, ngithathe lo mkhululi, ngithathe la ibongani, because that's where the quality is. I cannot compare my quality of indebele versus umkhululi ubongani oyithole labenguni. I have to accept this is who I am. Eyami usigedlembu uqina ngo80. Sengizofanisa labo lokuzeni abahamba ngo320. No, ngeke. Accept your weaknesses and strength. Abantu kabavumi asifundele nini. Ufuna ukuba musician wakazi uhambe esikolo kanjani? Kodwa mafuna udrive usigedlembu e driving school. That is my problem. Mamuntu umtshela ngescore sheet rubric ka understand. Umuntu uma press wakanga mamela interview yakhe wathi teacher ma press wathi why bantu babemsola bathi why engaqhatsha amanye ama artist ebhese kurumba. Ngamamela wathi yena I problem kurumba kuyasetshenzwa estage.
That's true.
Wena uzongena uzocula njengogogo wami oshonayo 1 2 3 kadunyiswe uzenza ushongo lokuthi iziye phela ingoma mbona uzobhadala leyo nososi. I-dance yakho ayilo choreography. Okokuqala wazi ukucula ayila choreography i-dance yakho awula ubheka ama-poster uvula kade simnikeza ukwe-poster kaMthwakazi umuntu ufaka isigqoko zedunusa market ezakompetsa nama awula la costume, then singobani asiyazi branding. We don't have equality. Asiyazi branding.
Who must we blame kahle?
Thina kuphela isitha somuntu kumuntu. The only person you are competing is yourself. Asisole thina stand izinto singaboma phuzu kunotha. Singabona ukuqala uhlanyiswa yi-pirates ibhakaniya ungakazi uye ePapa Fields i-problem. I-problem of life. Awazi amahlona nyama kodwa uyahlanya.
Zofuna uncoba ke.
Sinyama ngenkani.
Yabona uyachiselwa.
Asibe nenkani le empankweni okwahlala empankweni wena.
Wahlala eSoweto.
Uyasazi isona sikaGwindi wasenza khona uGwindi. Yabo yi-problem enginayo.
Itenye zabakhona lapha Nkomo sisaka phambili because this is a podcast as interview and siyaxoxa. Itenye zabakhona lapha uzathiwa ngubizile ngathi uzothuka
attacker uSoweto.
Ngoba uyazi ukhuluma mina nxa ulapha. UNkomo ukhuluma the main message engizwile lapha ukuthi is complaining about the quality of our productions njengabantu basemaThebeleland. Ngiloko ubuza abantu ukuthi right silama artists ukhulumile ngerumba nti I'm very glad abafana berumba they are very original basemsebenzini angeke kuthiwe kule show yomuntu werumba kudlala iCD
ngeke noma ungathola kuyiCD but the performances zabo
uzobona ngeke uthole kuthiwa kule show yabantu berumba kuthiwa kulama groups invite abhadaliswa imali yokujoin.
That's true.
We do that because joinisana because oqala asiyakwazi asila quality. Sifuna ukuthi sithole imali ngamanye ama artist singabhadalisa abantu bazosichaya. Okunye ingoma kaSolomon Skuzela manje you can still play it even relevant manje. Ingoma kaLove Majaivane you can play it even relevant manje. Anje ako gospel bese sonke gwaza sikhulume ngakho ukuthi hayi lapha akula lutho lukhona. Isicathamila siyabulala
kakhulu futhi.
Ama poets njengoba ekhuluma so. Mina ngagcina sengasabizwa emcimbini ethile ngoba ngitshela abantu ukuthi nxa lilokho linga improve ezinye izinto ngicela lingasangibizi. Kulabanye ngabatshela njalo abasangibizi vele entweni zabo. Kulokunye like he's saying esekunikwa uthiwe yi-poetry ungaso poetry. Umuntu yabe lesifiso ele voice enhle ekwazi ukuperforma engakwazi ukubhala. So lapha Nkomo you are a brilliant writer, you are a brilliant performer. Have you njengomuntu ovele esephambili ole experience you've been all over the world uperformer serike lahlala phansi yini labanye labafana lamantombazana lathi hayi isifiso ulaso ivoice ulayo awunawo amahloni ungangena estagini sicela ukuthi sikubhalele inkondlo.
Mina umsebenzi wami ikhona lokho. Besides that, mind you, I'm a teacher.
Yes.
Ngifundisa creative arts, ngifundisa drama.
That
is my job. And mambheki CV yami ka teacher, I have taught from 00 or 3-year-old drama. lapha eLens futhi samakula 100% amakula up to metric. That's how beautiful my CV is. Bengisejozini last week omunye ngadibana lawo sisiprosperity wabuya ku poetry workshop. Aw maye gcwele phela abantu basekhaya uMelinda wathola ime ngiyiphethe akazange last 20 minutes ubesevalelisile.
Hawu kanti ubalekelani sisiMelinda?
Besevalelisile ngazibuza ngathi I know it's okay. But I was happy khona omunye umjida lapho umlocal wetsakana befaka i-t-shirt yakhe ibrand yakhe which we are salute ngathi at least something, there is a seed she has planted somewhere. So all I'm saying donke ndini nanka amanzi manje ngithini ungafuni ukuphuza awufuni ukunatha donke ndini kodwa nanka amanzi but ubhizi uthi ukhanyiwe ayixakeke umphimbo omile but nanka amanzi donke. I cannot force you. Mina I have called for 2 things. Na contact even ubhuti Bongani la manje ngathi ubhuti Bongani sihlanganiswe isifo ibwe theater. Mina mangishodele irent makube le accident makumbeni amaphepha ayashota kanti why thina mathi singabhekelani kumele sizihlanganiswe isifo. Phela fine ngiyabonga futhi abantu bekhaba lo masingcwabisani but thina mathi sibhekana kanjani. Let's come together ke sikuhlanganisa. As a poet ngabiza kudala and omunye umuntu wamotivate before I forget ngena lo phambi kwami. Wathi yena the days Xabana wathi yena your poetry is less than a finger washaya ngiyi terminology. From there ngakhuphula amasokisi ngathi but uqinisile kodwa mhlatho wakhe but ngakhuphula amasokisi ngahamba ngayunisa ngathi Nkosi yami nayi CV yami kodwa ngilanda ngathatha degree. Le degree Bachelor of Arts specializing in English creative writing. 1 quarter
yes, I'm a poet lapha emakhaya.
1 quarter drama, 1 quarter poetry, 1 quarter English literature, then 1 quarter English yona why vocabulary. From there ngathi thank you and ngibonga abantu abanje ekugcineni. So ngikucelayo mina ukuthi nayi uyithintile indaba ye live band. Uzilo aphiwe umfana omncane ngihambile ngambona. How from Zimnyama ngiyozosibonisa live band, wayithaya live band ngathi salute my 150 has worked. Ngathi ngabona usakwazi ngubani ngambisa ngathi kathi why thina mathi singidlula abantu berumba singayizi organization sithenga ama instruments oyenza ishow simhayisele simhayisele uzale kataro uzale keyboard siya i-organization iyahamba imali lezo nzila ibe easy njalo uphinde ngithini mina ngiyenzile ishow mhla ka 18 mhla ka 12 May namhlanje bafuna ungiqhuma ngabhadalisa u20 40 rand. Hey, bathenge into yazi mawe izingoma kavo siqimba indoda ekarati yabathi mabeshaya ejele yathi ivuka yathi iphili ikhumbe ngishale ngicela registration ngibashaya ngenye into la artist gospel bebengayazi ngoba they can't sing abana choreography kodwa namhlanje bangizondele ngathi fine wezomunye faka ishirt le security ethu ipoint ngafaka abafana bami bashaya my main intention befuna ukubafundisa ngathi mawule problem asithathe ini. Take your video clip lami ngithathe laba abafana zixega sifake ku TikTok sifake ku social media namhlanje nje sababindi
uMaskanda
abekho awuMaskanda kumele ngimaccept uMaskanda haya sonto kodwa ngajabula angazi mhlawumbe ngozakangeke ngiyali angeke but yiliqinise likhona ngeke
ngithanda nje indlela obeka ngayo mawukhuluma
ukhona manje ngicela uhambe kulomfana lona okulekepesi nje evuthukileyo uthi imvulu kaMankomo izolo nyamamela ufaka kunye uthi ipoem ngithi yini le imfana kaNkomo uthi ipoem ngithi hayibo khona lo uthi imvulu kaMankomo something like that igama lakhe
yila a performer
ukunjalo kulokuzende uthi imvulu kaMankomo ufaka kunye ukuthi kuyipoem ukuthi hayibo kanjani uthi ipoem yona leyo so ngiyahleka but all I'm saying guys, let's work for equality. Lapho singazi khona sifundele lami ngiyazithoba ngizethi if I've got a problem my best ndebele point mase ngibona ukuthi la ayinona ngolimi ngizohamba kubhuti Bongani ngizohamba ukutholela bengu let us accept that ngathi ufuna ukwenza ishow ufuna abantu abachibilika stage if I don't go for itabo arts academy kumele ngazi ukuthi khona uzibani nabafana bakhe bachibilika siye khona lapho let us help each other asikulalani but asakhaneni ngokutshelana iqiniso.
Yeah, but Nkomo, how do we deal with this? We live at a time where Amandebele we have accepted ukuthi thina wa mediocre. We promote mediocrity. I'll give an example as an Abansala Band. We've had Ujays Marabini for a very long time. Ujays is international. ngeke umdlalo uJays lapho udlala uSalifcator uthola umehluko omkhulu kakhulu.
Yes sir, that's true.
Asikaze simenzele lutho. Uyakhuluma wena lapho ukuthi you've never been honored. But I know you've won some international awards. We took imali, not mina ngokwamanzi engayikhipha, but I saw abantu on social media just because somebody said uSikhosana is not a singer. Kwaba labantu abasukumayo bagijima bajaya izimali bayakhela uSikhosana umuzi bamthengela lezi inkomo. Mina nhleli la, I would say yes, right ngusomahlaya, but when we talk about music, I don't rate him. I've never listened to ingoma kaSikhosana mina. I took yona leyo udlala ntete eyasihlangisayo sibanengi. Ukwaza ukuzofakaza. Ngafika ngayifakela abantu abami. Bandihleka bathi ntete uyilalela mntana mole 5 years wala kula ngome nje. Wacima I sound system. So lento ikhulumayo wena, people are going to watch here and basazokuthuka angifokqa mama, but I know you're used to that. You are used to that. So social media layo, how do we navigate terrain social media ozathi wena ungathi wena lo muntu uphambanisa la kumbe ka improve la bafike bakungenele ukuthi ulo mhawu wena vele lengqondo yesishoneni. Ngikhuluma lapho lo muntu ombhale wathi mina lengqondo yesishoneni because some teacher approached, some deputy minister approached a real issue in an uncouth way wayenza uwindi kumele ukuthi alandele procedure. So how do we navigate that terrain in social media, especially from people abafuna ukupraise yonke into embi just because ivela kuMandebele?
Before ungene bengeke ngakuraise khona lokuthi thina sibulawa yiko lokuthi into enhle sisuke siyibhekile, but we will channel ama resources to something engekho right just to spite enhle emela phaya. Ngezelela uncuba kusho abantu uJays uthe mayise onwa ngomunye umuntu ngemoto kwabukeka sengathi kubi, but we sikubona ku right ukuthatha something sinikeza umuntu ongenzi lutho.
Yebo lithela linikeza ibhasi yalibanga futhi umsindo.
Umsindo.
Thina iproblem mina uPoding Master wa member wakhe wayethi yena uba uzimbo wathi sitha somuntu ngumuntu, we are enemies of ourselves. Into engifuna ukutshela wena abantu bakamthwakazi, abantu bakithi endithandayo, the only person you are competing with is yourself, full stop. Umile omunye ugijima race yakhe. So asekele nini kurojwa iTikTok. You are not an artist. TikTok is an artist. You are not an artist. Ku social media olamalaka is 7,000 labalandala by 20, but it doesn't qualify you kuba artist. So yiko bekucela khona ngoba thina yithi sitha sethu siyazibulala njalo separate our private life versus our social life. Separate.
Expand.
Thola umuntu ngima expand, for example na iDVD mnandi ugqoke kahle. So kuloku umuntu uza la kuyagida eceleni akuyazi le choreographer hawo kanjani. Ukhona mbalo irumbo lofana wakhe loyichaya kancane ngimadumbani. Umfana ugida uyachaya sibili umntwana uyaqualify ngani icrew enkulu. Kodwa uthola ko gospel nje nanko kuncane kuyale ingoma yakhe ngoba umntana wakhe umfakelani. Hayi accepta. Mina unkosikazi wami izenesi akangena indawo kupoetry akazi nix yena kuphela ngicela iblessing manje unkosikazi bemfisa ukurecorda so ngathi kwenzela ukuthi mase ngitshontsha imali endlini accept or angisupport like enough should support me 100%. Kodwa ke angeke angazi umuzwe ethi mawuphethe yaphetha but ishow le yaphetha but mase singena deep she's limited. Umele ngiaccept khona lokho yena umele angitshela ukuthi hey wena iskin sakho sinje wayo umele ngiaccept ifield yakhe. Let us accept ifield za each other. Uthi wena uyachaya irumba ngiyasaluta, uyachaya ilokuzeni uma uzinja ngiyamsaluta mina uzinja ngambona noma nini ngabhadala insimbi zejana bengithatha lo Chase isikuze temntaka baba ngithi ngiyamsaluta uChase indlela yakho ihambile uyo untete is our own Vusiqimba, full stop. That's all I can say. Wasona Vusiqimba njalo utheni baba uSikhosana bambuza ukuthi umbani uzu baba uSikhosana utheni interview uthena yimi uye full stop akule kunye leave him alone. Ofuna ubefuna ukudiliza iyasa umbani ake sikhiphe in life ihla mbani ofuna udestroy us our own people our own
generation. But wena ubufuna ukudiliza iyasa, why ufuna ukudiliza iyasa ngoba ngathi ofuna?
There's no Bulawayo without iyasa, there's no Bulawayo without Ipo, so it's a fact. There's no Bulawayo without Jays.
Yeah, mawukhulele ngoBulawayo uyakwazi.
It is a fact.
That's true. it's a fact.
Sila kufuna ukhipha imakhokhoba kobulawayo kanjani? Angeke.
Siyadlula ngaphi mase siya kwe-town?
Even namanje bayigcona uyasa lokuze ni laba abafowethu abagula ingqondo. Wayelifuna ukuzeza amazulu. Hawu kanjani? Because they are feeling a threat. Bawuza umoya. Bayizi hit. Bayiza. Salute to Iyasa. Salute. Salute yini ibolamba pets guys. I recognize the might into yabo. So all I'm saying, why mina ngibuka abantwana why wena ngakubuki? Ngifela khona lokambuki idoti mina. Mawuphetha liyabheda. And I will never glorify, I will never sugarcoat rubbish. Ama-artist away Hebrew, awakwazi ukucula, special bona laba. That is why befela ndawonye, lokho bebhuta ndawonye nje intuthu yembanje. Usuke yipotato uzokuya busy school, ebese uyabona bishowenzele class, into class nisifundisa abantwana. Uyenzela laphana, weza. Wayengaphumi phandle edlala labantwana babanye abantwana. Funda. Bengizo workshop mina ngidlala labantwana balapha ngobanyancela ngifuna ukufunda kibo njalo yibo kusase bathuma bengqonqozela eminyaka mina ngiyahlala etahamba le khuluma ntweni wanga mina ngwane stophe so mina mangilambile kumele ngithuma abakhona apha ekhaya becela isinka sibuya sesidle thina wayesingakwenzi khona lokho esibhizi roda siyarobhana kuze kuse licula inyongo yibo as much as mu MC manje Mr Nkomo sicela MC Nyambiza uMoshaba, don't think twice. Lamayilele nyakwazi uzovuka one uzogqoka. Kodwa uMC umuntu ufakile ukuze niye yakompetha nami idumisa market. Akala nje ufake ngokulibhathi kulapho ukutshela kumali makilifa umbila thele ngalo. Akala branding, iphi branding ithi ngama artist. But just one thing, I'm guaranteed uMoshaba uzogqoka. Uzoba smart. Wethu ufake African but uzoyenza into yakhe. Abanye besabuya mbatholi mina ngithanda ukusaza kakhulu lokho usabuya she will get there one day but usabuya but khona okuncane ukhona asikuthuthukiseni let us work together, that's all I'm saying. And ngifuna abantu bakamthwazi liqhubekele lingizondela ukutshela iqiniso angeke mina ngibhadala i20 ukubukela irubbish usoka mamba
this days isibhadala 100
ubuyile usobancane wayitshaya ishow mayiqeda ngathi hand I will never pay 150 rand ukubukela umfana lo emile edlala ngathi ebukela umali wakhe. He must dance, he must entertain us, he must break for 150. But now, mele kwa sikaphamza. Ndoda usangu form 4 wathi ngathi fine ngaqeda ukubhala yabuye. Lami le artist lami yinje security somewhere umbamba inkunzi, but still ngile artist. So there's no excuse. That's all I'm saying.
Yeah, you've mentioned into senza thatha kakhulu isikhathi sikakwazi.
I know you are.
You've mentioned into ukuthi kuthiwe unguform 4. I remember uthola umuntu ekuthengisela iCD lakhe. Umuntu ohamba wa recorder because you believe ukuthi le artist.
Yeah.
Awuthethi kodwa yikuthi ngizaqala. Usaqala. uMichael Jackson uqala ukucula with the Jackson 5 ele 8 years ubese record and they were winning awards, international awards. Bephuma ubo number 1 in different countries. Kodwa uthola umuntu ole 48 years njengami ethi lapha ukuthi ngizaqala awukalaleli lento yakhona uyithengiselwe so uthiwa kodwa ukuthi ngizaqala. Why kusuka ngakho nokusikhatha amakhonazi siyabe sivuma ukuthi vele talent alikho ngizama ukuli foster umbe ngifuna ukuthi lami imphume lapha na ku
ngithele mina anithele labo maphuzu kunotha owaphusa ukuhlalane bayithina lapha singabo maphuzu kunotha kudala ngile 32 years angaze ngiyibone i-microphone ngisengiyibonele emesini ngale TV yami futhi mezukudla i-microwave yi problem yethu siqala ngebhakaniya singakaqali ngeboss so inkinga yethu khona apha asiqale nini asiyali ulama late bloomers ne asiqale nini kodwa asiqale nini ngequality, that's all I'm saying. Mawusaqala then vuleka ingqondo wayengahambi lanto angisize angilingezele lapha hayi wena yenza thu misa kahle ngicela ukumixela awona nyamamele ezinye mina ingoma currently ngilama artist engisebenza lawo engafaka ku studio sami unyamiza ukuthi into lecula leki akuzozama lapha mangakuthanda uyekele but mangimamele ukuthi nkosi yami kakwazi ukucula lo muntu we find a better way simtshele kahle usithethe wenza idemo omunye uartist X 3 hours kwenza idemo ngoba nesesaba ukumtshela ukuthi I know yekela simlokhuze kuphela kuphela but sizoyenzani ama-studios sefana le-driving school sifuna imali abanandaba lo rubbish wakho bafuna imali but ekugcineni unikezana abantu bakamthwakazi imusic yethu kayakhi isizwe sethu imusic yethu kayistudio zesikula kayisi-entertaine ngayigcine ihistory yethu imusic yethu asela okunye sila amanye ama-resources kodwa-ke sile talenti lethu let us keep our memories namhlanje antu banolili usalokhu listen to the message kabanolili zonke ingoma listen to and ngani zonke imusic yakhona ngani ibini ngani bekuyiprofessor nangu uJayz ukhona usacha equality kodwa bangaka abazombukela uJayz abayizombukela ngoba sesabuthi awukhathi uphiwe imoto then we want to recognize sifuna ukum-accept umuntu ngoba si-acceptwe ngabanye abantu why ungama-accepti manje that's the problem esinayo why now ukathola i-award mina ubhuti ubongani incube ngizokhuluma ngayo ngoba is one of ama-protest ekamqabuko ngisawuthi ngawuphi umnyaka ngathi inside he deserves it wabuye omunye wathi hayi asinikeze ubongani sengisibetray asinikeze ubongani award ngathi eyani wenzeni umnikeza wena ungubani i-problem yami yabona sengi-answer umbuzo bengikhona ngathi fine ngichazela wena wathi ama-credentials akho athini ngichazela there's no lokuzela but as a protest poet ngathi hayi don't think twice ngoba protest ngithatha umoya ngithatha ubongana ngicabanga but sicele umuntu okukhulumele ukuze I can even pick up uSylvester Sibanda leyamazi uSil useManchester but iquality yakhe mawungamamela and the quality yakhe yama-instruments like ulava momajaivana ule flavor le kamthwakazi understand but Thabo sifuna ukuzenza umzwa wakhe embuli sifuna ukuzenza umsande kababa most ke la igencane buya sifuna ukuzenza ama-artist eKZN sithathele no dlala ngalokho lakho ngendlela yakho fida nami umazila nkathi uyayicula music but uyazi ukuthi ngifaka iwemo ukubamba inhlanzi akafaki 20 rand ngeke uzibamba inhlanzi nge20 rand give abantu bakamthwakazi abakufunayo ngendlela abakufuna ngakho angabathengi I will never vote for any artist angivotele if you deserve your award uzokutshela ukuthi uyashine yakho I will honor you
uma institutions existayo nje manje ngomthwakazi yipi institution you think iya deserve ukunikeza abantu ama awards
mina keeper now ngizothi ngingaku institution
akhona ama awards akhona manje siwabona ngicabanga ukuthi umyaka usiyaphela kumbe since uqalileyo sike saba le neighbor awards kuke saba nama
umakhelwane kabani kabani umakhelwane uvele phela umakhelwane dala ngiyakhile for how many years angibengela makhelwane sezovela umakhelwane eGoli sezovela umakhelwane eGoli hayi khona lingadlali ngathi honestly
so you are dismissing ukuthi nje okwamanje asimeni ukuphana ama awards
hayi asiphaneni ama awards but ngendlela eqondileyo njalo i-award eqondileyo makule award yokubhimba siphana nini ku gospel uma sikandi hayi guys I don't think twice phana nini kurumba hayi bayithayila abafowethu banikeze nini kurumba bayithayila into yabo poetry yes akhona equality but namaki ngikhipha ithole labayingoni ngiyamkhipha ubongani Ncube umkhululi ngiyamkhipha but most bakhiphela equality kodwa ngathi asidibane staging mawuyibheka criteria other things ngabanikeza imvunulo mbanikezeni ilanguage other things the poetry abazazi uzoyishaya le voice enhle and his voice is healing ngiyayisalutha le language kodwa amanye ama-dynamics one akalala costume two akakwazi i-rubric akayazi ama-vocal voice of modulation akazi ukuthi kumele abe njani ukuma uba ngumsindo it doesn't make sense oko watsho nangumxolisi wathi Thabo masixabana wathi ukuma ubangela abantu umsindo screaming ngevoice ngenkondlo zabo wasifanani ngathi but uqinisile kodwa mhlatho wakho but then I took that ngathi let me use it phambili so awati nangu umntwana ngithi ubekhona ngimazi igama lakhe but abangcona manje but uyabuya kahle I will award those I won't think twice I will uJayz I will award I will award uMateso uyini umkhathi I will award that's all I'm saying guys let us accept each other but asakhaneni ngeqiniso singarobhani guys uloku kujabulisa abazalwane ujabulisa amashamari lezikomba echurch uthi wena sulabalandeli ingeke ujabulisa ngoTikTok siyalike ngoba sibona lobuso sithi kumbe singathatha ama chance noluthi kahle kahle uyenza into yakho if you can why ungancintisani labantwana balapha ekhaya why lincintisana lodwa why if you've got quality if we have quality
ngathi is there something ku gospel ekwenza ube ufile ngalendlela ofila
gospel is supposed to heal me but yangi-irritate ngoba abantu abakwazi ukuthula. They think they are singing, badle microphone, lip sync. Keep it sound system, keep it over ngicela ugetsi.
Ngandihlela lapha ecula uMaskandi yathi yabala naye abanye uMaskandi yathi kumele bame ukuyokhafulela imic e-studio ngoba abakwazi.
Akusiyo
yahle yama nje yathi hayi ubani nobani manje yena ke ingcono ayifani nawo sawa amagama abantu yona yayibaqamba ngamagama ithi ubani ngame ukukhafulela imic nobani.
Let me pick up uSiskendi. uSiskendi i-choreography yakhe i-dressing wasothela ama-artist kodwa ukucule I'm not buying the voice but ngathi i-choreography hayi abantu bakho baphekile ngoba la hayi baqoka abantu bakho but akakafika ezingeni lokuthi mina ngithi hayi wena uyayicula into yakho akafiki.
Ubani osefike
hayi akula muntu mina ngamnikeza award noma nginikeza 20 million angeke ngiyayingcono ngithathe ngihambe kuRumba ngihambe kuMaskandi they are one thing twice angeke labanye ngabaziyo ngiyabathatha ngibadingi phakathi ngimamele ngiyinje ngithi yashaya into yakhe ngoba singamazi into yashaya into yakhe abakafika abantu but ngiyathatha ugift usakhe isizwe lamanje lo mfana ngithatha uSnap uThembi laba sizoba awada nini but babhizi bawada ngapha
makhona
ngabantu balapha ekhaya thina we don't recognize our own recognize abantu bemzini. Have I ever listened to what good?
Have you ever listened to Amazayoni? Like umculo i-gospel music, iZion gospel music yake.
iZion
isikhalanga
ezithulani manana.
Yeah.
Mina ngayigcina iquality ngothulani manana. Khathe sangwazi lapho kube ishaya uthulani kuthiwa manana or something. Ube ishaya from there ngastopa.
Kuba ukulalela noma
ngastopa ukulalela ngoba there was no development, there was no change. Here one, here all for the next 20 years. So what's the point? Sengizwile zonke nje bonke bazolandela nalindlela le. But it's quality. It's quality. But then ayila development kayikhuli.
Yeah, ngoba nami ngeke ngayizwa on the weekend kune group engiyibonile beyicula this mculo wezayo ndo usho ushunu wabothulana. Yeah, it was good, equality. Kodwa ke ngiyavumelana nawe ukuthi awu develop. I don't know.
After 5 years ubothola benjalo. Zobelokhu ubhotapota ndawonye njengentuthu yensango. Why? That's my problem. Why? So we need to fix that why. As isikhathi ngiyake ngifisa ukuthi ama shows zonke ama artists like esiwathi gqithi kobulawayo. Maybe something is going to make change. Sifunde nini? Le talent elisekhaya silithathe sithi lethe lapha maybe ngoba abantu ba talented but we don't know them siyababulala. And asibatshela iqiniso abantu. Asitshela nini amaqiniso. That's all I'm saying.
But we still got there lapha ekuthini thina abantu njengoba nawe usuke wa-count abantu abenza izinto ezi-right. Thina siyisizwe siyabazi abantu abenza into ezi-right. But there is this thing eyokuthi we don't support into e-right. Siyenza ngamasibomo, I don't know why, but siyenza ngamasibomo ukusupporta lokhu okungayisikho ngamasibomo to spite lokho kuyikho.
Antu uzofaka lo muntu othina mina ngilikhosi support iKaizer Chiefs lanxa ibheda nje uyisupporta ikhosi lami ngizofalala ngeke ntshintshe. That's what we're doing. So mina all I'm saying asekeleni currently ngiyathuka manje recently I think 3 days ago 2 days kunabantu lapha eGoli thola umuntu unabantu bakhe ama artists these artists uhamba la ungababiza wena emcimbini le they will never call ama artists unless bebizwe nguzibani. That is killing.
Like how?
Kuna ma artists leso sebenza la artists ayi10 mbabize mina ngeke bebuye but wena wababiza uthi asambini laphana kulelima kuthi babuye
babe bizwa i-promoter noma ngomunye futhi artist babe bizwa ngubani lahla. So you mean there is an artist who own other artists?
Yes, impintshi zabo. That's why recently ngihambe ukhasi la Facebook ngathi all I'm saying let's stop owning ama artists ngoba nxa sebesenkingeni selifuna sonke futhi silisize kanjani naliyala labo laba bantu liyala labo lithi ngabeni
ngicabanga ukuthi lapha nihleli niyayizwisisa kahle indaba uNkomo ayisho uthi yena kuba nesikhathi sokuthi ama artists kune event let's say kune event kaZinja eJoburg Theatre abize abantu bangezi just because those people bayitshela ukuthi bona bangabantu bakagwaza kodwa ke ugwaza next week angayenza umcimbi Hebrew Theatre same artist bazobe bekhona kwenziwa yini bafowethu lento leyo ukuthi uyi artist kugcine kusenzakala ukuthi wena you are now controlled by any artist esikutshela ukuthi performa
inkinga lolwazi abakwazi ukuthumela benze siyajabulisana because ithi i-artist sifuna ukuyirana isintu into ezosilimaza sifuna ukuyirana isintu masirana isintu sirana isiboy asoze sakhula asoze I've called for unity ama-artist even kuma-poets ngathi bhuti bongani most ngiyathanda ukukhuluma why singayenzi association ye-poet kuphela bheka berumba sifundeni kibo bheka lokuzeni noma sifundeni kibo thina why la singazenzeli okwethu ezamalokuzeni. It will never work until Bongani says, let's jump. They will all jump. And the manje bafomile bathi singa lendu something
singa lendu
manje yona leyani group yona leya ihamba ndawonye
ngeke part of usinga wena
nini
ngake ngabona some poster kulomntu le trade bona I just thought it's you.
So bona labani crew yona leyana for the past 5 years bandawonye baphila ndawonye njalo bazofa ndawonye njalo ngeke bekhule konke njalo konke bona labana ngabatshana lonke nyali challenge ku poetry yibo abantu bengikhuluma ngabanye aba challenge weza lo Maswiti athi Maswiti unje lo Bongani ngathi Maswiti ukuqala
who is Maswiti
uthi uMC
izikhala kuwe Sweet omkhulu
MC uyi-comedian ebesithi uyi-poet futhi
ebesithi
ngathi
but wena ufundisa i-poet angicabanga ukuthi kulo umele ucabangele ukuthi lo muntu olapha is a poet or not.
Kama ima wena uthi uyilokho ungeza umuntu lapha ethi mina ngilivenda ngizomphikisa le ID phela ngahambe khona tshintshisa thina ngeke ngikuphikise ukuthi umvende is fine ulivenda it's okay.
Can you come in?
Right. Ngizokhuluma lento le inhlangano let me call it axis of evil eyokuthi kuthiwa kulama artist ahamba lozibani
isingizwisa
angahambi lozibani kahle kahle kwenziwa yini uxabane labo wena as individuals or you believe ukuthi kulomuntu obatshelele eceleni and if so why do we have this kind of divisions vele kokuqala
mina batshela iqiniso
abangalithandile
mina ngitshela ukuthi awaza sopoem phuma hlukana lakho lokho sebenza ukuthi hey lo uyangenele hayi wawutha uyathukana hayi is short tempered bebese siyadlala lapho ke abazetshela ukuthi hayi wena ivoice yakho yenza ibe nje so hayi yabona lapha hayi very good hayi siyabonga yakudala hawu qamba amanga uzosakha kanjani isizwe ngamanga.
Yeah. Usukhulumile Nkomo uthe usuqambeka ithuthi. Sathi sixabana sakhuluma but I didn't say ukuthi wena wazi ngeza. Ngara I love your poet but sasixabana ngokwethu sasixabana ngakho. Ngizake ngakhuluma kubi ngepoet yakho. Ngawuthe no wena you are brilliant as a poet.
Oh yeah.
Fine lawe lapha kulokunye ngubona kungahambi kahle. Not because mina I'm expert but yeke ngikhuluma yomuntu obukele. I'm glad ukuthi it brought us closer together. We found each other because lawe you were mentioning ezinye izinto nami engizehlulekayo okunye ngakuyeka uyabona. So but what I'm trying to find out why thina Mandebele ngiyabukela futhi embuzeni engawubuza ukuthi not division kuphela why thina Mandebele iqiniso sithi zonda. Why is it because sifosta into ezingelazo? Is it because kahle I'm trying to find out why support into ezi wrong, why singafuni ukutshelwa futhi amaqiniso ukuthi abantu doyehluleka ubususiwe improve.
There is someone who create eyinye into angazi noma mirage noma okuthiwa abantu bakithi leyo nto leyo it really kills everything yethu esiyenza.
It's true.
Because sigcina sisiba forced to accept whatever we are in a take ethi umuntu wakithi. You are not allowed to question it. Kumele just consume the thing uhlale phansi.
So mangatsho mina ngithi ekuqaleni thina we don't have identity yethu la manje sasidinga sizazi ukuthi singobani.
Singabantu bakithi
yi problem njalo asila sithunzi we are not proud of mina ngifuna ukukhuluma iqiniso mangalalela ama first album sengu album number 10 engizoyilontsha ngoNovember mangalela 1 2 3 yonkosi yami ngiyaxolisa I owe people na college ngiyaxolisa it was rubbish I'm sorry I abused them nga-abuse indlebe zabo bebengithanda bangilandela babona into uma uyithanda ifana impukane idoti izolandela lesidumbu mase singena egodini impukane iyalandela ngoba ifuna isidumbu lesiyana. So all I'm saying, Zaz, know your strengths and weaknesses as an artist. Accept ama weaknesses akho. Uhambe uyefunda kwabanye abantu. Ngihambile mina eSwaziland 18 May benginoshow eSwaziland. Ngifunde okunengi ngwabonela ama artists ngathi wow. Bengilo mama Africakazi. Ikanti 2 weeks ago Africakazi ube ngu-MC emchadweni le eKrugersdorp. Ngathi wow. Maye kuya lapha ngathi something unkosikazi ubekhona nkosi UK but ubekhona ngathi mama Africakazi la siyakusem show kathi nkosikazi njoba drive usigedlemba kathi why singahambi la is first time siya eSwaziland sahambe Cosmos samthatha sahamba la sasonke semvenue behlele lapha eceleni kwami masiqeda sabuya la ngathi if ama artists singenza into enjalo to each other ngomunye umuntu anthi kumele ngidlale njampa amagazi embuzi ngithi hayi ngifuna bebone mina yena bebona uyabhedwa uvele ekhaya kumele siyenze kanjalo sizama ukugwajisa la MC hayi lo limnisi isikhathi 2 minutes kuphela hayi vele iphomi yakhe yabhedwa kumele sikhulume but all I was saying to myself we need to be there for each other, we need to support each other. No one is going to win my race but mina imizozwinela khona thina abantu bakithi ake si-underline kithi sichona masithi kithi yikho kusilimazayo siba ngosomlandeli
ask ukuthi kithi kahle kungapi masithi abantu bakithi yibabi kahle abantu abangasibo bakithi.
It's true until iBhayibheli njalo uthi bona bangabakhe inkosi kathi abangasibo bakhe badala obani masokula bangabakhe
when how do you know ukuthi ngowakhe kumbe usiwo.
You understand? All I'm saying, assist identify nini anti manje siyakhuluma nje ekhaya but fine akula dress code mhlambe ngithi elizwe okay ekamthakazi ke yona yipi understand that like as much as sizokhulumisa indebele sethu sithi salibonani amazulu athi sanibonani why can't you have that little unique nyana
that
good dress code yes why singelayo good dress code why siba 100% Zulu good dress code. We need that little things for anyway to like dress code. That's all I'm saying.
Yeah.
That's all I'm saying.
Nkomo, I will tell you something. I think for 2 years now I've been running with this slogan where I encourage especially people from Matebeleland to wake up. Sithi thina okokuqala we're not disabled. Okwesi-2 asisoma imbesides afuna ukucatshangela. Okwesi-3 we're not as mediocre as we think. That slogan ithi vuka ucongolozele. I got it from your song African Woman. Yele chorus ithi vuka ucongolozele. I even wrote it with no I could because abantu bese bengikhota umnye bese khandele skipper. Vuka ucongolozele. Nkolisi ngube ngathi no. Maybe I have amplified this but I got it from a song by Uthabo Jenkomo etwa African Woman. Ithi vuka ucongolozele. So this is a way of me encouraging our people ukuthi sizenzelene into ethile. But now my next question is, you know what ama artists akithi especially lawa say hippo zakhipha aberumba ngikhiphe abe maskandi abe lokho abe ngomaskandi zakhipha uzinja yedwa ngikhiphe abe Scathamia. These are the artists engizengwabona mina esenza ishow esiyathola imali khona. Abanye laba and laba emaqambileyo imbizi ngayenza ishow iyodwa igcwalisa iPro Theatre. Uzinja ngayenza ishow eyedwa even engayigcwalisanga you will get enough eza offset ama dates asebenzileyo aberumba vele noma nguphi uyayenza ishow. Abanye laba ambonto ukhono yi1 uMazilankata lo kade umkhuluma uyabulana ngokucula. She held a show in iPro Theatre. I think that became the last show ayenzayo ayenzele nguPK wangabuyibani. That's because the abantu I don't think ulo gospel artist waseZimbabwe or based la okwazi ukudlala live, not even one. So siwenza njani kumbe ngithi mina why should we call these guys or these people artists umuntu ongeke ezishow abiza abantu babuye bafike babhadala imali kumbe ongeke ethi nxa ebizwa ku show ayibhadalwa ngicela usichazele khona lapho
kumele ke siqondise yena one thing ulomsebenzi eBo Theatre kuthiwa stage fee kanti umele ubhadala omunye ubani ngizosebenza mina sengubhadala ngiyo-Shoprite ngizosebenza Monday to Friday so kumele ngibhadale i-Shoprite ukuthi ngiyalokhuza yini kuthiwa stage fee ayisebenzi kanjalo it doesn't work fine mina maze la nkatangaze ngimbone but kule ingoma yakansayo ukuthi thina engiyithandayo ngaze ngamfonela wathi hayi no bhuti wami ngisetaxini ngivele eKhabron bengiye performa mangithi sacela singasazwani ngoba ngathi hawo kodwa siswami and mina what I wanted ingoma I think it ndodana something that song ngathi mina ke ngoba mangiqala ukuperform emba ngo1990 nguform 4 ingoma yamphakamisayo loba ngakwazi ukucula not a singer mina I'm a poet so ngathi I wanted to buy that song ngishoot video I wanted ukumsayinela icheck elimnandi but wambheka wathi hayi lokho kuthaba kwengenza la ngi12.50 yakhe ngathi it's okay sagcina sehlukana khonapha because that song I don't want to lie angizazi ezinye ingoma zakhe but that song iphethe
no she's a brilliant singer ungumama ziyawona
live uthamathi sikazi ucule live
yes
mina ukudlala live one live ingadlalwa but still they cannot sing ngoba badlala amakatari bakhona bona the problem is the singing part bengabadlalela amakatari bekudlala i-keyboard bedlala ama-drums but can you sing they can't sing they cannot sing
so are you an artist yini nxa unjalo
I'm a wannabe batsho njalo ngesikhiwo
I'm a wannabe artist
ngakhula ngifuna ukuba lilungu ngakhula ngifuna ukuba likhiwo
sebekhulile
aluba ngangilungu
sebekhulile abantu basazokhulana
ngingakudlala uyazi ukuthini indaba ngifuna ukumpipa kodwa abantu ebasebenza labo ngithi nayi ingoma ke nangumuntu uyayidlala le ngoma uthini ngaye ngiyakutshela you won't even angeke vele umamile ukuthi no it's a cry for help singajahi ifam singajahi imali dala mina ngile 34 years in the industry anginamali futhi angiyidingi izozibuyela mayibuya wena ungathi ungena izolo ku-industry usithi wena uzovela uthi ungaphakama ka-1 is fine but be careful ukuthi ukuphakama kwakho ma kungela sikolo phakathi akula mpande kuzokwa ma kuphela wonke la ma-journalist lapha azokujikela futhi bazokugamula kuqala they will crucify you ngoba i-journalist lifuna to bring you down to earth so but wena ma ule quality ukwazi into oyenzayo hayi bengaze bekwenzeni you are untouchable you are there ngoba imisebenzi yakho iyakukhulumela nge-34 years angina award ekhaya eplan 3 anginayo kodwa ke ngelinye ilanga when they are satisfied bewamukela umsebenzi wami bazongi-award anini angazi kodwa engikucela mase ngifile ngicela lingambayela umsindo angifuni umuntu ozakuya angifuni ngifuna manje or never njalo uma ngitshola ngifuna ucriminator ngilama operations ayi6 emzimbeni anytime I've got a heart condition I can drop ngife kodwa ke ungakuyi mina uzothi but I'm using that healthy status son as a motivation mama ngena ku YouTube or even Facebook udinga ingoma ethi kuwe mama ngisesibhedlela I was really esibhedlela not ukuthi bengi-actor bengisesibhedlela I only changed the name of the hospital ngiqeda uku-operate unyawo lokuqala the first day ngihleli ukuthi manje ngihlaleleni hayi mani ngaqalisa ukushuta mina le video qalisa ukushuta because ngathi dala ngifuna ivideo ngisesibhedlela so I had to make use of it so no situation against all ngaze kwenza kahle
ma uyi-artist you will always come up with something
yes bangaze abantu bekuthuke ungaze ungenamali umantshingelane kumbe ubambe inkunzi konke lenkonyane but once an artist always an artist imali ungajahi ungarojwa ngama-fans akho ku-TikTok ama-likes ungarojwa can you imagine if everyone ku-TikTok manje kuthiwa nje uyizoyenza ishow even the FNB is too small ngeke bekwana abantu wonke umuntu uyeza lama-friends akhe ngeke bekwana
ngoba wonke umuntu oku-TikTok wenza ishow manje
lama-friends akhe
because senishintshe i-TikTok nayenza ukuthi yiyo esinitshela ukuthi seningaba-artist
yes siyazirobha we are fooling ourselves njalo mawuzizwa amandla ncintisana labantwana balapha ekhaya sicela ukubona uncintisana labantwana beNamibia labantwana beSouth Africa labantwana beSwaziland
no thina
hayi lokudlala
sincintisana sodwa kwabale case yethu nojo yamabhizi asivunyelwa ukujumpa ngale khona lokho bekushiwo ngumxoko ukuthi thina sizibona ngenye indlela engathi singama endangered species ukuthi kumele sitreatwe ngenye indlela nje I understand
leyo case siyenzelene sifuna uona ma-artists manje fine amavevane they are doing something good ba celebrate 28 years bazo celebrate 30 years ngathi mina as you celebrate guys let's remember umfolo somnyama asi-honoring the guy babaphi
olameki
understand thina masingazenzeli sizi intandane kumele sizenzele thina kula muntu ozasenzela ngoba thina umuntu abona umuntu owaloya i-Kaizer Chiefs current is the same person owaloya abantu bakamthwakazi
Chiefs ne
is the same person owaloya abantu bakamthwakazi is the same person because we are enemies of ourselves yithi esibulala naye mbani ofuna ukubulala iyasa yithi yithi esifuna ukuyibulala iyasa mbani ofuna ukubulala uThabo yithi mbani ofuna ukubulala uMxolisi yithi akula omunye umuntu akula muntu ngobuye unevurangura samuthi ezobulala akana sikhathi nawe uhamba ngento yakhe hamba ngento yakhe siyarobhana sekeleni urobhana sitshaleni iqiniso ma-gospel artist pull up your socks asicule nini uyekele ukudla i-microphone uwazi umusic kuhambe esikoleni uyefunda i-music you do not need a degree kulama even eBram kulama course chaya amakhosi omncane ke-music la uma ungena e-studio uyezo sound engineering ukuncane la ube le ID ungahambi usiya Roger studio let's do that guys khamisa CV yakho January to December CV yakho lokho ifana nithi Shoprite cashier but uli artist ku artist ke improve every year have something better about i-profile yakho khona kuma wabiza ama-artist eka-20 told him maybe only one le profile abanye abala abanye abanayo i-profile bazokunikeza i-CV uthi mina ngasebenza lapha yemine ekhaya ngayo ngumanager esitolo sikaba bekhalanyo nikho ngamanager Shoprite manje that's what we have
Nkomo ungathi uyanazelela we haven't spoken about you la
how
that's because we don't do ama podcast la ukuthi twase sihlala la wephansi susitshela mina nguThabo Nkomo ngazalelwe ePlumtree ngafunda eMbakwe ngayafunda ngaphi
labantwana
because you are an artist nxa uli artist umsebenzi wakho uyakhuluma umuntu uzokudinga ku Google ukuthi akuthole like mina for example I'll tell you about me about myself I got to know about you ngisesikolo like I said when you were still writing kuma newspaper lilabo Orino Jays Newa Thabo J Nkomo Plumtree Olirino ube nguwe Mzilikazi Martin Stobart elupani libanengi and then I got to know about your work ngaqala ukulandela khona lapha so ongakwaziyo ngizacela ukuthi kancane awuzi introduce la uyazakala anti umpe ama pointers ukuthi ukuthola nga and I expect ukuthola umuntu onjani ku
tata ifone yakho ku Google uthi Thabo J Nkomo full stop
right
hamba ku Spotify uthi keep uJ keep uC uthi uzabona that's the only thing I can say lama mfuna uba interview kaSikhosana into uSikhosana yimi
yeah the reason why see hlabe kakhulu endabeni ama artists especially emathebeleni lawo is because one we respect the work that you have done we believe ukuthi you are now an authority ongakuvumiyo lokho so ngokwakhe kahamba efela kachana but we believe ukuthi you are an authority both professionally and in terms of experience and in terms of knowledge fine baningi nami bakhona asebeke babuya kimi ngoba uThabo usithukile lapha wathi ngithi hayi uThabo wena ngabe kubeke angabe kubeke kabi kodwa wena into enazikhulumileyo yini ophumelayo because mhlawumbe yena uyehluleki may not be a good communicator or ukutshele ekubed space ngaleso sikhathi or ubone mina nami ngiyalwa kulama journalist engilwa lawo kakhulu enye lakho elikhulu kakhulu ngopolitinono siyaxabana kakhulu ngimthethe wena you're not a journalist you're an activist so uyabusibona umuntu esengena ku terrain yakho esezomosha wena ngapha so because kulomunye umuntu ozabela ama connections amaningi sebonakala kakhulu ku TV kuthi ama poets aseZimbabwe wena ngapha ungamboni njenge poet nxa sokubalwa yena eseyiflagship kumbe eseyiflag holder lapho wena sungani ngaphansi kwakhe. So that's why sikufake kakhulu endabeni yokuthi how do we improve our arts. So that's my next question, how do we improve our arts?
Let's go to school. Hambe esikoleni ningani mafuna ukudrive code 14 antu yambe driving school. Ngazi uyifundisa isintu kulungile. Ungathi uzalo lakho, that is a terminology yamavila. Uthi ngizale lakho ingoma le ngiyiphuphile.
Sazalwa sifumbele.
Mbana wazala ngefumbele. So asihambe nini esikolweni masiqeda ke. Wako wathi uba kuDube udirector weyasenkululeko Innocent wathi ngangenza ishow la isezi combination ngathatha abantwana balapha mina ngihambe ngezikhathi church programs sa perform lapha eStanding Square. Wathi yena my address crowd wathi inyoni ehlakaniphileyo iyakha isidleke sayo ngensiba zezinye inyoni. So lapho ngakwazi khona hamba kwabanye ufunde ucuphe kwabanye ibuffet emhlaba lo iart le ibuffet thatha okungasoze kukuchile isisu kugijimisa ungadli konke ungabona lo ipoint kaThabo le izogijimisa ngesisu kuyekele leave it alone ungabona lokho akwazi kuyekele ipoetry uyazuyekele uyenzani usibayela umsindo because most I'm sorry ku poet mina I get irritated because that's most my strongest point ukupresenta istory in a poetic way doesn't qualify to be a poet. That's why I'm an artist. Njalo lo uthi yena wathiwa ngithabo ngiyayicela inhlamba yakhona lami ngizomgeza ngembuzi. Besides ukuthi ngamtshela iqiniso njengoba linjalo uma ubhedu uyabheda uzobuya ngesecretary kamantshike la ukuthi uzoperform ufuna number 1. I-rubric iscore sheet okokuqala sizothi ungene kanjani estagini ugqoke kanjani ama dynamics evoice yakho konke lokho abantu abakwazi i-genre yepoetry yakho yipi umhlobo bani wepoetry abakwazi how did you engage with audience abakwazi so
when we bring that thing yathi awuyazenzisa mangathola impela kuhlangene ishow kulama poetry abantu bakithi then you start ukukhuluma izinto ezinjalo jo
enkomo
ukuthandela khona
uyafundisa
kodwa iqiniso yini
sicela utshele ama viewers ethu especially labo asebe ngama artists labafisa ukuba ama artists labazenza ama artists ukuthi bakuthola ngaphi ukuthi bazofunda. Ngifuna ukuthi baye kwesinye isikolo ngifuna baze kwesakho because at the end of the day you are not giving this information just for free. I don't want you to give it for free. Bakuthola ngaphi ukuthi bazofunda kwesakho isikolo la ufundisa khona.
Ngicela ukunikeza umzekeliso.
Yes.
Usiskendi bengamazi ngangiqala uengage na laye. Kule group ukuthiwane dume ngani something like that. Bangicela bathi ayi awutshela ama artists ngaba lecture for 1 hour bathi bese ku WhatsApp khona. Bathi hayi no man we need more Thabo sicela uzosifundisa more ngathi hayi okay bengicela la mama center amangaka bathi I will never. What they offered me was an insult. Ngathi but in knowledge elithole I've just given you for free. Ngase ngimbiza yena usisi wami usiskendi ngiyamthanda futhi le crush la uyakwazi usikazi angixolele. Ngathi ngicela uzoba ngo-MC
awaqolisa unkosikazi wakho yedwa aqolisa na kumyeni kakhe
la kumyeni ngixolise futhi wasesithi yena ngifuna imali engaka ngathi ha wena kweyakho industry kweyakho indawo ufuna ukubhadala engaka thina kwezethu waye ungafuni ukubhadala. Understand? That is a problem. Mina ngumteacher currently I'm off sick njengoba ngitshela no not a joke guys ngiyasiqinisa I'm pretending to be strong. I use the art as my healing therapy. Ngiteacher eRandfontein High School ngifundisa dramatic arts ngifundisa creative arts. For example kule Randfontein Arts and Culture Association irana from the whole of August until September 6 weeks. Kuyongena ama participants 500,000 nxa beqeda lapha bawinayo bayongena ku Talent Africa eRobot Theatre nxa beqeda lapha bawinayo baya kuphi Talent America. Why bantu bakamthakazi lingekho khonapha malithi liyasitshela why lingekho ku SA Championship why but lokho khonapha se busy bee se Ibo Theatre use Zebra Pond why that is my problem. So ngiyacela guys mina am available. Invite me to your group. Invite me ku rehearsal ngizabuya ngizokutshela ukuthi alungisa lapha. Invite me. Currently bengiseswaziland. The guy weSwaziland uyangifonela ukuthi Thabo ngicela ungisize ngibona incwadi yakho ngihamba le ncwadi yami lengamnikeza. Wathi ngifuna ukupublish. Wathi umbhadala no mina zombonga kuphela but create ubuhlobo. I want us to build that relationship. Ngoba ngithola uPage Sithole ngathola uzibizwana uBhula wayo ngibani uClifford Ndlovu. baphethe athi upelepele uLarry Mhlanga bayiphethe athi I've made a good relationship labo laba bantu asiyakhenini ubuhlobo sibiyakheni ngeqiniso sibiyakheni ngeidentity yethu yokuba abantu bakamthwakazi hayi ngamanga imali anginayo lawa ulayo asinayo asoze futhi sabalayo at the end of the day asoze sabalayo but asihambe nini esikolweni mina invite me I'll come to you drive usigedle I can drive now to Bloemfontein for arts nyebukele show yakho ungibize ngizofika loba
like that
right sesiselele 5 minutes ngizakhuluma into ezimbili then bese ngijiyela ugwaza bese li wrap up okokuqala mina I'm one advocate if you have watched my interviews lama artists ukuthi ngithi avele akulamuntu omela yenze lo munye umuntu lotho mahala ulabantwana have got bills to pay uthi awuphilanga kahle you must be paid and you've got the expertise whether ulabantwana uba uphilanga kahle but that expertise you didn't get it for free so you can't be dishing it out for free. That's the first thing. So whoever comes to you must pay ongafuniyo akayekela aqhubeke ehlupheka esehluleka let me say ku art industry. Okwesibili we've got a problem nama artists asematebheleleni. uJays came here wafuna ukurana okuyimini workshop elo Ezra Chisas Banda eHillbrow Theatre. Bamthuka bengekho kwathiwa ngubani nalo Jays uzenza abani. uJays ubebuya khona lapha evele Austria evela performela abelungu bodwa abafika 10,000 kodwa that contract yayinge 3 years esiyaba performela bengabelungu bodwa notokwethu lokuthi umuntu uyabesuka ezoperformela amanye amaZimbabwe la ahamba eUK ayiperformela futhi amanye amaZimbabwe. So mina sengiqedile lapho ngicela ukuthi liqede khona lapho sesiselele 3 minutes
Nkomo before sihambe
ngiqeda ngoba bomuzi
manje ukoma kubele usivalelisa
hayi ungakhuluma hayi bengifuna ukuthi before ukhulume nami ngikhulume ngikunikeze something ebese singayilokhuza sithe masiqala lenkulumo saqala kakhulu ngama awards wathi qha kancane ngePlumtree Awards wangasakhulumi waqeda iPlumtree Awards isazoba khona or
it will always be there. I want to appreciate lami lapha emphuma khona angisilokhalanga mina ngilitowe lapho mama litshetshe ngoeGwanda ubaba ube ngoeBotswana so washona ngile 3 years. So the only place I can identify myself with eyangikhulisayo iPlumtree. Ngifunde Allen Redfern ngafunde eMbakwe italent lami lakhuliswa ngabantu bePlumtree lakhuliswa ngamaCatholic. I'll do anything for Plumtree and heads off to Handy Sibanda is doing something. I want to be there ngiyenze something because ngiyenza le ngoba lokho ngisithi Plumtree and you can judge me with that music. That's all I'm saying.
Sebonga kakhulu bakithi besihleli lana lensizwa uThabo J. uThabo ngicabanga ukuthi niyamazi abantu abaningi ma ungaphumela ngaphandle ubabuze ukuthi ubani uThabo bazokutshela ukuthi womunye ubhuti ohluphayo naye ngijabulela ukuthi uthe mayifika namhlanje akazange azame ukuthi hayi okwazi abangazi nje umuntu ohluphayo ukuthi namhlanje ufike ewuye lo uThabo edesivele sim expector futhi izinto eziningi ebesifuna ukuthi ayithinte ikakhulukazi besifuna azolungisa iart ngoba nje la vele AVG reality inhloso yethu ukuthi iart iphakame and irespectwe ngumhlaba wonke not ngabantu bakithi kuphela sifuna ukuthi irespectwe no matter useBotswana no matter ngoba nibona uThabo sebebuye eSwaziland kanje sifuna ukuthi namanje abantu abaseSwaziland basali besazi ukuthi kunoThabo and uThabo la suka khona uchiye amanye ama artists noma bewadinga bewathole Thabo
Plumtree Awards kwaba khona kunye ngithekwana kulehlelo lodwa so kule Plumtree Awards engasuka kaThabo
Plumtree Awards
uthe one Plumtree Awards
kumele uze kumasana sinjalo le
Plumtree Awards kanjani mina senze ngitshintsha sensithi Plumtree Arts and Entertainment Industry. I've just registered ePitoli ngoba laba sebethethe so Plumtree Awards sokuvotelwa sokungena ngangene ku radio kukalanga halu umuntu phezukwana ngathi hayi hlala Plumtree Arts Awards ukhona manje bakhona ngathi kokuqala iaward lokuvota wehle ufone ukuvotela umalume ukuthi abe ngisobhuku le ekoTsukuru eMakuzeze o eJocholo ufuna ukuzovotelwa lapha ngubani wena engikucela abantu bakamthakazi we are very special sile talent you are gifted kodwa ke singa abuse khona lokho ngiyafisa ngelinye ilanga kube esiceleni kwesithombe sikaNkomo or somewhere else eMakhosi Theatre kube le wall of fame bonke oLamek Moya Mabhubesi oSakhamuzi oKhonti Mhlanga oJays besaphila oInnocent Dube oMateso oBolamba Bhethi siba honorishe yisho nje isifiso sami labo Handy Sibanda siba honorishe there abashonileyo laba akashoni wawumele mbonge sengifile wawumele mbonge I'm turning 51 this year last year ngiyalile ukwenza 50th birthday kodwa ngathi ngijabulisa ubani bengingedwe esibhedlela ngisabhadala lama bills ngijabulisa ubani ngile 34 years ngiyeza ama shows ufaka ama poster abantu bengabuyi mase ngifile somela ubuye mase ngiziphatha somela ubuye it doesn't make sense manje bakamthwakazi ngicela sakhaneni mina ngicela ukuthi uqhubeke ungizondile ukutshela iqiniso I will never beautify rubbish stop faking ngesifiso sami ngayimo minister of ilokuze namapholisa bezolibopha lonke ongayimo intensiskizi lo bahambe ngathatha isikhundla sakhe I was going to arrest all of you that abuse music and abuse poetry for bezolibopha lonke because you are doing the wrong things.
Usho kahle iMinistry of Arts kufuneka ibe neyinye unit engamaphoyisa so ezobibopha abantu abayenza.
Ungqoza siyabafuna ungqoza